Every great career begins with the right experience. For 45 days, learning went outside the classroom. Students stepped beyond textbooks into a world of hands-on learning, innovation, and discovery. From advanced research facilities at the Central Instrumentation Facility to industry-oriented projects and expert mentorship.
I have gained lots of hands-on experience here.
which are related to industrial knowledge on power systems.
They have helped us in our grooming, self-confidence, communication skills, which are very beneficial for my future.
The lectures were top notch. The explanation was very good.
The knowledge gained here are very helpful in my research work as well as in my career line too.
And I would like to suggest to upcoming students and the students who are listening this should enroll to Kalinga's 45 days internship program.
Every experience prepared them with future-ready skills. Because an internship isn't just about earning a certificate, but building confidence, gaining practical experience, strengthening resume, and taking the first step towards a successful career.